Hello. I just want to take a few minutes to provide some feedback and share a few thoughts about where we are going to go in the coming weeks. First and foremost, most importantly, you shouldn't forget that you have a final project that's due at the end of the semester in finals week. But we have a couple of stages coming up to help you prepare to do that in good time. I already have placed on the ongoing discussion board a thread about what you intend to do for your project. So hopefully when you start to have some thoughts about your final project idea, you can place them on there and get some feedback from other people in the group. So as you know, there are three options for your final project. You can do a standard research essay, you can do a pedagogical option whereby you would write a syllabus, some lesson plans or some lectures related to the Reformation, and in particularly incorporating what you've learned in this class about the Reformation. And there's a public history option, which I have left some instructions about as an addendum to the syllabus. That wasn't one of my original thoughts, but as we have some public history students, there's no reason not to do a project of that nature. So for October the 17th, I want you to by then have posted in the under the discussion thread final project ideas around 200 to 300 words sketching out what it is you intend to do, and to look on and comment on at least the work of at least 3 others, so you can start to have a think about what you're going to do and what other people are doing. This doesn't have to be fully fleshed out by this point in time, but you should at least have done some reading around the subject and found a niche for yourself. What you need to be looking for is something where you can show some originality, that you're not just repeating a kind of tired idea like the Reformation has a lot to do with the printing press or something like that. You need to have a smaller idea and something that you can prove with good scholarship. If you're doing the research essay, for the pedagogical option, you need to show that you're integrating what you've learned in this class. And for the public historians, we'll probably talk personally about what it is you might want to do. I have not got a lot of experience in being in charge of a project like that, but Dr. Sylvian said she's more than willing to help out as well. Okay, so by October the 7th, you need 200 or 300 words sketching out what it is you intend to do. We don't have a group leadership exercise that week, so you've got more time to do this, although there will be a quiz on the 3 chapters from McCulloch for that week. And then by November the 14th, you should have a full proposal ready. This means that you should have done your reading and your research by this time and know what it is you're going to talk about. So by November the 14th, you need to have produced a 2-page proposal and a bibliography of at least 15 scholarly items, some of which should be primary sources. Okay, so that's sort of the big announcement for the end of the semester, or preparing towards to get to the end of the semester. I'm very pleased with the way the class are going. We've thoroughly completed all parts of several of the group leadership projects now, with people having done some really great presentations and set some interesting assignments to which you've all provided very scholarly answers and given each other very helpful feedback. And then a lot of that thought has been translated over into the ongoing discussion question about how the Reformation came about and how you could maybe compare it to an explosion. and Joe has been very helpful in helping us to extend this metaphor even more into ideas of prevailing winds, which helps fan the flames of Reformation, and maybe some sort of moat around the powder keg which kept the Reformation at bay for a little longer. And it has certainly been a very fun discussion, and I will echo Joe's sentiment that it's nice to be involved in such a full discussion where 10 people are commenting on the same thread. Don't forget that there is an extra credit exercise as well, and this is a journal exercise to provide feedback and reflection about your expectations of yourself in terms of your technological capacity and what you've been able to do with performance. I just want everyone to push themselves a little bit in terms of producing online presentations. Everybody has managed to do very good blogs and get pictures in them, and do some work with the fonts, etc., on blogs to make them very effective. And we've also had some video, narrated PowerPoint and podcast so far that I think have very much enlivened our thoughts about the Reformation. So that's my sort of general, this is where we are at this stage in the course, and I'm going to, in another video, add some more particular responses to some of the comments on the readings from Luther and about the Anabaptists and the Counter-Reformation and Calvinism. Okay, thank you.